Hey YouTube, Joshua here. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to disassemble your 3/8" drive 80 tooth snap-on ratchet. So let's get into it. The particular ratchet of example today is a FHX80A. Now this is a locking flex head variant, but really what I'm going to do in this video and the purposes of this video is to show you how to remove the internals and install a repair kit. I'll have a part number here. I think it's RKR F80, and that should apply to all dual 80 series 3/8" drive chassis ratchets. The tool you're going to need is really just a T10 Torx. Now on the later models they have a dual pattern, so you could get away with a screwdriver. However, I wouldn't recommend that. I just get a pick and clean out all the junk that's in your fasteners and remove it. So just a T10 and a some sort of means to remove these two fasteners. So the first order of business is to remove these two T10 cover plate screws. Okay, once that's done, you're gonna have to set the cover plate aside. And here you guys can see, you guys want to study this. There's the seal, the gear itself, the dual pawl, which we all are aware of, a W spring right here, some sort of bridge, spring, a ball bearing, and that's what provides that positive detent on the reverse lever, and the reverse lever itself, which right there, of course. So those are the components. If you guys would like to study this and refer to it, please do. So, okay, so now I'm going to continue on. So I'll remove the seal. So there's your seal. Now I'm going to remove the gear. Here's the dual pawl. I'm going to remove the W spring. I'm going to remove the spring, the bridge, ball bearing, the bridge, and now the reverse lever. And what you got to do is simply rock it out, and it comes through the main face of the ratchet. So that's it. So I'll get back to you guys when you're done cleaning your stuff and having your lubricant of choice ready. So now you guys can see these are all the parts you're going to need. So if you have a repair kit, lay them out systematically, however you want to do it. The first step of reinstallation is going to be installing the reverse lever. Okay, once that's installed, just a reminder, it's best to have it either on the on or off, whichever one, it does not matter. You see how there's going to be pockets? That's going to help align the ball when you're installing that, and it's also going to help this upper channel is the functional window for this boss that's on the pole. Long story short, have it on either on or off because it's going to be a basis for further steps. So now what you want to do is install the bridge. This one you can't mess up. It has a couple of ears. Just put it right there, and you could actually push down on it to help seat the seal on the reverse. And now you're going to stick the ball in. That goes in the lower bore. You're going to have the spring. And now the W spring. So the W spring falls into place like this, and it matches the contour of the bridge. And now what you're going to do is, a sort of tricky part, is have the pawl set up. And you're going to notice there's a dog or a boss. And however you have it set up, so either you're going to enter it from here or here, but whatever, just mirror it. You're going to stick the dog inside this so it fits in the channel in such a way that it compresses and catches. And now what you're going to do when you install the gear is sort of rock it in. You see it compress? And you just push in just like that. And you're going to know you nailed it when it lays flat. Just like so. And you're going to have it such that it compresses. So now you're going to rock in the gear just like that, and you're going to see that it's one side's going to be trapped and engaging the anvil, and the other side is going to be free. Now what you want to do is install the seal. I have it so that the angle faces the external environment. Now you could either put it on the anvil here, or you could put it inside the faceplate. I'll show you both. So that's it on the anvil. Oops. I usually use lube, but for video purposes, I'm just... See how it has two flats? So we have a flat portion here and a flat portion here. And if I flip it over, and then we have a flat portion and kind of like an angled lip. I have the angled lip face the external environment and have the double flats face the anvil. So you guys can see that. And now, I simply put it on and run those two fasteners in and you're done. So once those are ran down, obviously check the function, make sure it fully goes to the on and off and that it actually spins. So this is on and off. I actually have no lube in here, so remember to lubricate it with whatever your choice is. Your ratchet kit should have came with this, because that's the lube that comes in Snap-on's repair kits, so you could use that. Whatever you use, lubricate to your heart's desire. But this is just for demonstration purposes. Hopefully it helped you guys out. Comment, like, subscribe, and you guys take care.